What's up? This your boy Big Mucci, baby. Yo, I got this new line dance for you. It's called the Legwerk. Big Mucci at Entertainment District. The guys who brought you that same old two-step. Yeah, that's right. The collab is here, baby. Big Mucci, Entertainment District, Legwerk. Let me show y'all how it go. With your right foot, you're gonna go like this. It's kind of quick though, but it's gonna be up, in, out, in, slide your right. Up, in, out, in, slide your left. All right, let's do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Up, out, slide. Up, out, slide. From there, you're gonna walk back 2, walk up 4, like this. Step back, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Let me do it sideways for y'all, watch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. All right, let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, slide, up, slide, step, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. After that is a cha-cha up, turn with it, cha-cha back, turn with it, watch. Cha-cha on up, turn to the back, cha-cha on up, turn back front. From there, with your right foot, kick, step, turn. Let's do it from the cha-cha to turn. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Kick, step, turn. Last part, you're just gonna walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole dance. We're gonna do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, slide your right, left. Slide your left, step back, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, rock. Turn to the back, rock. Turn back front, kick, step, turn, walk it on back. The whole dance. Big Mucci, Entertainment District, Legwerk.
Here we go, yeah. Come on, 'cause I know who I be, who it is. It's Big Mucci.